Module 6, Introduction to Google Drive. Google Drive is Google's free cloud storage service that lets you save your files online and access them from any device like a laptop, smartphone, or tablet as long as you have internet access. Think of it as a digital locker that's always with you wherever you go. Whether it's school notes, documents, photos, videos, or even entire projects, Google Drive stores everything safely in one place. To use Google Drive, you need a Gmail or Google account. Once you have one, open any web browser like Chrome or Firefox and type drive.google.com in the address bar. After you sign in with your Google credentials, you'll be taken to your Drive dashboard. This is your personal space where all your files live. You can also access Drive from other Google services by clicking on the square grid icon, usually located in the top right corner of Gmail, and selecting Drive from the list. Once you're inside Drive, you'll notice a few important sections. My Drive is where your personal files and folders are stored. Anything you upload or create will appear here. Then there's Shared with Me, which shows files or folders that other people have shared with you. These aren't technically in your Drive unless you add them, but you can still open and view them anytime. To begin working in Drive, click the plus New button in the top left corner. This opens a menu where you can upload files or folders from your computer or create brand new files using Google's tools like Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Forms. If you click File Upload, your computer's file browser will open. Just select the file you want, click Open, and Drive will upload it. You can upload anything from Word documents, PDFs, images, videos, presentations, and Drive will store them safely. If you want to keep things neat, you can also create folders by clicking New Folder. Organizing your files into folders makes it much easier to find things later. For example, you might create folders named Science Notes, Class Projects, or Personal Photos. Google Drive is also a workspace. You can create Google Docs, which are great for writing essays, letters, or notes, very similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is perfect for anything involving numbers, like making budgets, lists, or simple mark sheets much like Excel. Google Slides lets you make presentations with text, images, and graphics. It's an alternative to PowerPoint, ideal for school projects or class seminars. Google Forms allows you to create surveys or quizzes. You can collect feedback, conduct polls, or ask questions. The best part is that all of these files are automatically saved in real time, so you never have to worry about losing your work. You don't even need to click a Save button. As soon as you type something or make a change, it's saved instantly in the cloud. One of the most powerful features of Google Drive is sharing. By default, every file or folder you create in Drive is private and only you can access it. But if you want others to see or work on the same file, you can share it with them easily. Just right-click on the file or folder, or click the three-dot menu next to it, and then click Share. A sharing window will open. If you want to share with a specific person, type their email address into the Add People and Groups field. Then, choose the permission level. Viewer means the person can only look at the file. Commenter means they can leave suggestions or feedback. And editor means they can make changes to the file. Once you set the permission, click Send, and the file is shared directly with them. But what if you want to share a file with many people at once without typing all their email addresses? That's where the Anyone with the Link option comes in. In the same sharing window, you'll see a setting that says Restricted. Click on that. change it to anyone with the link, and then choose the permission level again. After that, click Copy Link and you can paste it into WhatsApp, SMS, email, or anywhere else. Now, anyone who clicks that link will be able to view, comment on, or edit the file depending on what you chose. This is great for sharing class notes with a group, submitting an assignment to a teacher, or collaborating on a project with classmates. Because Google Drive works in the cloud, all these actions happen instantly. There's no need to send bulky attachments or download files back and forth. Everyone can work on the same document at the same time, seeing each other's changes live. This makes group work faster, smoother, and more efficient. Another benefit of using Drive is that it helps you stay organized and avoid clutter. You can drag and drop files into folders, rename them to keep things clear, or color code folders for easy navigation. If you're working on a lot of subjects or projects, these small actions go a long way in making your Drive easier to use. And if you ever lose track of a file, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find it by name, file type, or keyword. Google Drive also helps you manage your storage. Every Google account comes with 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. That's usually enough for documents, notes, and light media use, but it can fill up if you store a lot of large files, like videos or high-resolution images. To check your storage, look at the bottom left corner of the Drive dashboard. If you're running out of space, you can delete unused files, empty the trash, or upgrade to a paid plan if needed. Remember, when you delete a file from Drive, it goes to the trash folder and stays there for 30 days before being permanently deleted, so you have time to recover anything you might have removed by accident. Learning to use Google Drive effectively is about more than just uploading files. It's about creating a smart and collaborative space where you can store, share, and work on your materials from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're submitting homework, building a slideshow, organizing class notes, or working on a group project, Google Drive gives you the tools to stay efficient, connected, and in control of your data. It saves time, reduces errors, and makes teamwork easier. And because it's part of the Google ecosystem, everything syncs across devices automatically. You can start a document on your school computer and finish it at home on your phone. So don't be afraid to explore. Create new files, share documents with your classmates, try out Google Forms, and use folders to stay organized. The more you use Google Drive, the more confident and skilled you'll become.